Here's the Nissan Sentra. First thing we have to do is just go ahead and pop the trunk. In order to access the license plate lights, you will need a small flathead screwdriver for this. So get the screwdriver right there behind the light and go from the same direction I'm showing, the left side. Go from in there and then push it and then pry the light out at the same time. Press down on the electrical connector over there and get it off of the light, and off it comes. Now you have to change the entire light module over there. You cannot just change the bulbs inside it, you have to change the entire module. That's the part number right over there, and check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself, and then click it back on. It only goes on in one way, so get it on, click it, and now this side where the connector is, make sure that little ridge, plastic ridge, it goes behind the body, and only when it does that it'll sit flush. So put one thumb over there, make sure it's sitting flush, press down on it, and then click the other side down to secure it, and that's good. And now let's repeat the process for the other side. Same thing from the left side. Get the screwdriver in there. First just get it right there behind the light, and then press it towards the right and then pull it out. Once it's out, I'll show you what you're doing. See, first you get it in, and then what you're doing is you're pressing on that black clip and then pulling it out at the same time. That's how you get the light out of the body. Same process, just press down and get the electrical connector off. Get the new light, put it back on, and same thing when you're putting it back into the body. This side where the connector is, that side goes in first. Push down on it, keep your one thumb on it, and click it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for the entire inventory.